Imagine sitting alone in a dimly lit room, your fingers hovering over an old, dusty typewriter. Suddenly, as you press a key, the machine rattles to life, typing out a message you didn't intend. But this isn't just any message. It's a grim prediction about the future. Would you keep typing or run away? Each time a key is pressed, the typewriter's carriage jerks forward, and the words appear. Never what you meant to write. Instead, it reveals chilling prophecies, disasters, betrayals, even names and dates. Some say the predictions always come true. Would you risk learning your own fate, or would you destroy the machine before it's too late? Legend has it the typewriter was cursed by a failed novelist desperate for fame. Now, it's said to be possessed, channeling messages from the unknown. Some believe it's a warning system. Others think it's a trap. If you found this haunted relic, would you use it to try to change the future, or leave it untouched? So, what would you do if you stumbled upon this haunted typewriter? Would you dare to press a key and discover your destiny? Or would you walk away, never knowing what the future holds? Let us know in the comments. If you love mysterious stories, like, share, and subscribe for more spine-chilling tales. What should the typewriter predict next?